I am Shailendra Vidhate, currently working as the head placements for Namtech and taking care of all the technological programs like IPMP and IPTP for Namtech. So based on the curriculum, we have seen that the contents which are delivered in IPMP has helped candidates to get jobs in the sectors like automotive sectors, manufacturing sectors, robotics and automation, as well as there are certain semiconductor companies who have also hired candidates from our program. Now, based on the content, we have seen companies who have hired from the various sectors like manufacturing and automation has offered job roles as an GET, automation engineer, assistant manager, automation in control and testing, and as well as other manufacturing sectors wherein process automation is required. They have hired candidates as a process automation manager. So companies who have actually shown interest from the manufacturing, automotive or the semicon sector have really offered a decent package to our students. In fact, we have seen companies hiring a very good package where we were able to maintain the average CTC of 8.96 lakhs per annum. Of course, companies offer projects as well as internship. After completing their tri-semester, the fourth tri-semester is pure internship wherein they are supposed to work for 3 months in the industry, and companies have really shown interest to offer projects and evaluate them for the projects and then decide whether they should go up with the final offerings or not. Companies offer pre-placement. After the internship, we have seen based on the performance of the candidate, most of the candidates have been offered with a final placements by the same company, and that is what actually helped them to really cope up in the environment. In fact, we have seen in the past, most of the companies have always raised issue regarding the quality of the candidates. And here at Namtech, what we have specifically done is we have a dedicated set of team along with the collaboration of the third parties who help students to groom themselves on mock interviews, aptitude, as well as life skills, which plays a very important role in the corporate. No, placements are not guaranteed. In fact, based on my 20 years of experience, I can strongly say there are no institutions in India or across the world who actually guarantees placement, but yes, we give you 100% placement assurance, wherein we truly believe that the entire placements depends on the performance of the candidate during the interview process, and of course for that wherein we prepare themselves to ensure that they get better placement opportunities. Based on the industry 4.0, what we are catering to, companies majorly look out for the attitude of the candidates, the life skills, the performance of the students with a basic fundamental knowledge. So yes, attitude, basic fundamentals and the understanding of cutting edge technology, wherein they always look out for candidate who has that learning ability. So someone who is adaptive to the technology and quickly grasps the technology. So I hope majority of the concerns related to placements are now clear, and of course we are always available at Namtech to clear your doubts. We are looking forward for your joining at Namtech. Thank you.